Hello, I'm here today to review this amazing outdoor rug for the outdoor settings that you can actually apply and talk about more of the features about this beautiful rug. So of course one of the features is waterproof and beautiful sturdy material. So let's go ahead and apply it together, add some more decorations and show you how fantastic it is.
So here we go. This is my backyard settings that was out before the mat. So let's go ahead now and apply the mat. It's an amazing material here, straw mat, heated ends, heated treated ends, and let's go ahead now and put it in my settings area and apply it and show you the material and even try it with water and show you how waterproof it is and show you the beautiful flower design here and the recycle material to it as well. It's beautiful, sturdy, very good. Actually, once I apply it, I'm going to show you now the after I apply it. Beautiful here before I apply the table on it. So beautiful. Managed to cover all the area that I need to cover, and here we go with the table. It's so beautiful. Added a lot of design and added a beautiful decorations as well. It is definitely a very good mat that I will definitely recommend. It's beautiful, and I'm going now to apply also the water on it to show you how amazing it is. After I apply the water, you can just wipe it with one step. So here we go. I put some water, and let's see now how the water is going to go away very quick, because actually it is waterproof, as you can see here. So I just swipe it away with one swipe, even with my hand, and here we go. It's back to normal. Amazing. I love it so much, and I definitely recommend it for everyone. And thank you so much for watching.